Hi, welcome to session number 7, tutorial number 1. Why control project resources? This is an important area to know, and as a project manager, it's very critical that you get your project resources under control. So controlling the project resources essentially focuses on the physical resources or non-human resources. In this video, we are going to talk about why control project resources is essential within a project context. The control resources process relates to the management of resources assigned to the project. This includes physical resources such as IT systems, hardware, office space, and materials, but does not include human resources, as these are dealt within the managed team process. Controlling resources commences with using the project plan to determine what resources are needed, then assigning them to the various tasks on the project at the correct time. This process continues throughout the project life cycle to ensure the planned resources are ready and available as required to avoid any delays in delivery. The control resources process also monitors the utilization of the resources against the plan and where necessary will result in corrective action to shorten or extend the time that the resources are needed. The process needs to be made aware of any changes to the plan that impact when the resources are needed. The control resources process is applied from the start of the project and throughout on a regular basis to provide efficient and timely use of project resources. This is particularly important as changes in the project schedule will impact the use of such resource. For example, test environments may need to be extended to accommodate an overrun in the phase of that project. This process extends beyond the scheduling and availability of resources. The quality, quantity, usability of the resources need to be managed as well as to ensure the product meets the quality expectation of the project. The resources required by a project can be expensive, so the control resources process also needs to be ensuring resources are not wasted or unused, as this will have an adverse impact on the project budget. The outputs from this process will provide updates to the overall resource plan as well as the risk and issue logs. To summarize, control project resources process is a process of ensuring that the physical resources assigned and allocated to the project are available as planned, as well as monitoring the plan versus actual utilization of resources and taking corrective actions as necessary to ensure that the resources are available, managed, and controlled efficiently to meet the project objectives. And if you look at the importance of control project resources process, it is basically to ensure resources are allocated and released at the right time, at the right place, in the right amount. That will ensure that the project is executed smoothly without any compromising any bottlenecks of the resources.